Hi, good morning. Today is a holiday, so yeah, I'm so excited because no work, of course, and some time with my family. So I wanna show you some of my favorite stuff. So excuse some mess. Some of my son's stuff are also here. So I have a couple of cars here, Hot Wheels. Some are from, or mostly are from my son. But, since these are my favorite, he, he gave me some of his collections. But some of this, were personally bought, or I bought some of this. And not only the cars. You see, these are Mini Coopers. I'm sorry, I'm not sure of each models. But yeah, these are Mini Coopers. Yeah, several colors: green, orange, blue. Yeah, we have a couple of silvers. And yeah, below are, of course, my piggies. These are all gifts, because they know I still love piggies. And yeah, I still have some spaces to fill out. But yeah, let's go up, up, up. Still part of my favorites. So we have Rob. Hi, Rob. Rob Daniel. And yeah, this one is not mine. This is Sean's. But together with, Rob Daniel's headband is, yeah, this is actually from their concert. I was not the one who watched the concert. How do I show? This is their collab concert by Rob, Addy, Emil Sol. So yeah, this is one of the Rob. So hindi na siya umiilaw. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So this was a gift from my two colleagues, two best, my two favorites as well, Jigs and Rendell. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's it for today. And see you again next time, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Before I go, I would like to show you the McDonald's. How do you call this? The McDonald's Eco Bag. Yeah. So we got this last Sunday. This is so cheap, guys. It's just 25 bucks. 25 pesos. Pesos. Ang arte. So this also comes in red. And just last night, I bought another ten of this, 5 black and 5 red. So I'm going to give those to my friends at work because, some of them find it nice. So yeah, that's it. So tunay na to, guys. Bye-bye na. Mwah.